On October 14th, Nagaland finally got its first medical college after 60 years of independence. The Nagaland Institute of Medical Sciences and Research was inaugurated in Kohima by Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu and Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh L Mandaviya. The Chief Minister and the Union Minister both expressed hope for this medical college to become a top institution and healthcare facility in the country. Chief Minister Rio described the college's inauguration as historic and a fulfillment of the state's long-felt need. He also said that for a very long time, the state had experienced a severe doctor shortage and shortcomings in the delivery of secondary and tertiary healthcare. For its first academic session 2023-24, Nagaland Medical College will enroll its first batch of 100 MBBS students. The state of Nagaland was allotted 85 of the 100 seats, with the remaining 15 for the India quota. For more such updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.